All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you. We have Blossom. We're excited. Blossom drove this morning. I told her not to, but she drove this morning from Connecticut, right?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. All right. You're going to sleep a lot today. Blossom, thank you so much for joining us. I'm excited to work with you. Please let everybody know, thanks for doing this, by the way, but let everybody know why you're here and what you're trying to get out of doing this.
Okay, so I'm here because my edges are like, I don't really have any. So I'm really looking forward to some new edges growing in. I had a perm. I cut my hair or shaved it off, and this is like 6-month growth right here. So now I'm looking forward to just getting my edges filled in. So
and you like to wear buns, ponytails?
Yes,
so.
I'm going to be able to eventually. I'm going to straighten my hair, put it in a bun or whatever. I don't even really have to straighten my hair, but as long as there's like, you know, some hair here.
Yeah. And you're going to make it light. You're not going to do it real tight because you don't want to tear these guys, tear the new hair out as well too. We're super excited to do this. We're going to draw do a little shaving, and then we'll check back in with you in a few minutes. Sound good?
See you.
Awesome. All right, we are back, and as you can tell, we have drawn out the line with Blossom. We just replaced her natural hair. She didn't want to change it in any way, and I think it looks nice and natural on you. So we drew out, as I say, the whole playing field and shaved it all the way around. Maybe look towards me a little bit. There you go. And then I'm gonna have it spin you around, and then we shaved the back, the strip in the back. Now most of this will be gone and stitched together, so likely by the end of the day you won't even be able to see your stitches. It'll come together, but looks like you have amazing hair for this, and it looks like, as I said, you're one of those unicorns that has great hair and great density, so hopefully that will be the case. You doing right?
Yeah, I can't wait to see the end result. I think this will all be worth it.
I think so too. Awesome. So we're gonna get going. We'll check on you a little bit later today. Sound good?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, Blossom, we are winding down. How you feeling? You napping?
Yeah.
You look like you're having a pleasant time.
I am. I'm taking a long nap.
Good, good. Awesome. We'll be done in about 15 minutes or so. Okay. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back, and we have Blossom. We have finished. Congratulations. How are you doing?
I feel all right. I mean, there's a little bit of pain back here, but I feel all right. I regret because I forgot to bring my contacts. So now I'm just hoping that everything
This is a great solution. So if you do wear, we usually say try not to wear glasses or be really careful. So as you can tell, we did. So first of all, I'm really happy with the way it went. We filled it all in, even a little bit behind the ear. I'm really happy. It looks awesome. I'll show you the back in a second. But you can see how she kind of has her glasses sort of over the ear instead, as opposed to over the ears. It's a good little technique. Or you can just even hold your, the glasses up to your eyes if you need to. She needs them for driving, so she has to wear them. But otherwise, overall, good day, bad day, okay?
No,
worse than you thought, better than you thought?
I had the best nap of my life.
Good,
so
you did. You snoozed for a little while. Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to swing around here and show you the back. And so you can't even really see it, but in there is the scar somewhere. There you go, the stitches in there. Blossom, it was awesome. I'm really happy for you. Thank you for having us part of your journey. Hopefully this helps some people out there, and hopefully we can follow you along the way over the year.
Oh and yeah, I know. Thank
welcome
you for
to the family.
Life-changing moment.
Yeah, absolutely. Us too. Take care.
Thanks.
All right, bye-bye.